Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear all. How are you? Hope you will be fine and stay at home safely. Today we have our second revision class of Geo Book 5. This is your Geo book. Now come toward your revision class. First of all, we will learn about the definition of geography. In this page, you have just learned the definition of geography, that geo means earth and graphy means study. So when we combine these two words, it gives us a proper definition of geography, that geography is the study of the earth done. Then come toward the second page, that is world in fact, that start from the largest lake to largest cold desert. Almost 10 world in fact we have in this page. In your course, only these world in fact are come in your final paper. Let's start from the first one, that is the largest island is Greenland, the largest lake is Caspian Sea, and what is the name of the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Largest sea is South China, and the highest mountain of the world is Mount Everest. Hottest place of the world is Dalol, and the coldest place of the world is Plateau Station, while Mawsynram is the wettest place of the world. The driest place of the world is Atacama Desert, and Sahara is the largest hot desert. If we talk about the largest cold desert, then Antarctica is the largest cold desert, and you know Antarctica is also a continent, the coldest continent of the world as well. Then we will start from the Europe page. In Europe page we have just learned about the introduction of Europe, that how many countries, what is the largest country, what is the name of the smallest countries. You have just learned the names of these countries. For example, there are total countries in continent Europe are 45. The largest country of continent Europe is Russia, while Vatican City is the smallest country of the continent Europe as well as the world also. If we talk about the major religions, obviously Christianity is the major religion. Almost 44 countries have the Christianity followers. Major currencies are euro and pound. Now come toward the Scandinavian countries. Scandinavian countries means the countries that are located in the north of Europe are called Scandinavian countries. But these are few countries. Not all the countries are called the Scandinavian countries. Only few countries are called just because of the location, because these countries are surrounded by the water. The name of these countries are Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Finland and Iceland. You have to learn the names and the numbers as well. If we talk about the rivers that flow through Europe, so there are 7 rivers that flow through Europe. The name of these rivers are Danube, Elbe, Rhine, Rhone, Thames, Seine and Volga. These are the 7 rivers that flow through Europe. Then come toward the first topic of continent Europe, that is France. France is the capital of this fashionable country. Paris is one of the most beautiful cities of the world and has famous landmark Eiffel Tower, which is 300 meters high. Now you have to learn just those lines which we have underlined in your class, and you can also see in this picture as well, that we have just focus on the underlined words, that questions may become from these lines. For example, a river Seine flow through the city of Paris. World renowned museum. What is the name of the renowned museum of the world? That is Louvre. Where it is located? It is located in Paris. Why it is famous? Has the most famous painting of the world, Mona Lisa, is kept in Louvre. Who was painted by this picture, the Mona Lisa picture? That was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. You have to learn the names of the picture, the painter name and the museum name. For example, Louvre is the name of the museum. Why it is famous? Because of the Mona Lisa painting. And who painted the painting? Leonardo da Vinci. Then आपके पास है bullet train of France is also very famous, and beside these French perfumes and cosmetics are known all over the world. Then there are some French language words also very important, because these are also come in your MCQs form or fill in the blanks में भी आ सकते हैं. For example, bonjour means hello. Thank you we can say in French language merci. Comment ça va? How are you? And ça va bien? Merci. I am fine. Thank you. देन आपके पास फैक्ट about the France, that the capital name is France, the currency of France is euro, the religion of France is Christianity, and obviously French is the language that is spoken in France. The major language of the France is French. Then another topic that is related to your France topic is Eiffel Tower. What is Eiffel Tower? Eiffel Tower is the landmark of France, as well as it is also the landmark of the Europe as well. Eiffel Tower was built in 1889 as I just focus on the underlined sentences, okay? I will leave the other sentences. Then आपके पास once the tallest structure in the world. The Eiffel Tower is Europe best known landmark and the most famous symbol of the Paris as well. Its height is 300 meters. The man behind this gigantic structure was French engineer Gustave Eiffel, who who proposed the idea of the Eiffel Tower. The name of the engineer is Gustave Eiffel. Then आपके पास come downward of the page that we have underlined some other sentences that on the what is on the first floor of the Eiffel Tower. On the first floor of the Eiffel Tower there is a post office and cinema. On the second floor there is a restaurant, and the third platform are the store is the visitor open gallery. Then beside these there are 4 huge legs of the tower that have double decker lift. These are some underlined words, and the questions may become from these underlined sentences. Clear, girls? Okay, now come toward the second topic, that is Holland, officially known as Netherlands. You all girls are asking about that what we will locate on the world map, Netherlands or Holland. If you locate Holland or Netherlands, you write Netherlands or Holland, both are correct. Clear? Officially known as the Netherlands, it is a small country in Europe. Its important city, Rotterdam. Its important city, Rotterdam, is the biggest seaport of the Europe. Okay? Holland is famous for its cheese. Almost 70% of the world cheese come from Holland. Then आपके पास another underlined sentences is a famous company of the world, Philips. Philips is the famous company of the world, is also from Holland. Then come toward the downward sentence that it is a flat country. It means we are talking about Holland or Netherlands. Okay? Holland or Netherlands is a flat country, and it is also famous for its windmill, and you can found everywhere outside the cities. For example, in the village sites you can also observe windmill everywhere. Beside these, Holland is also famous for its tulip flowers. Holland is famous for dish, means tulip flowers, windmills and cheese. Clear? Then आपके पास another sentence, the last word, the people and the product of Holland are called Dutch. The people are also called the Dutch, and the product that are produced or manufactured in Holland are also called the Dutch product. Clear? Then if you talk about the fact that the capital name is Amsterdam, Dash is the capital of Holland, so you must know the meaning the capital, that is Amsterdam. The currency is euro, and religion is Christianity, and the language is Dutch language. The national language of Holland or Netherlands is called Dutch language. Clear? Then another topic it is related to Netherlands or Holland is Anne Frank. Anne Frank is a small girl. She was born in Germany. The first underlined sentence is Anne Frank was born in Germany. Then the second underlined sentence is 1929 World War II started. When World War II started? In 1939. Okay. There is another sentence that Hitler is from which country? Hitler is from Germany. Clear? Then downward we have some underlined sentences. They have been translated. They have been translated means they are talking about the diary of Anne Frank that she was written in her hidden annex when she was stayed for almost 2 years. The diary have been translated into more than 60 languages. The secret annex in which Anne Frank lived with her family for 2 years. How much time she spent there? She spent there almost 2 years. Is a museum now. What is it now? It is a museum now and is known as the Anne Frank House. What we call this museum? We call this museum as Anne Frank house. Clear, girls? This is all about your Anne Frank topic. Then come toward, we have a little bit time as well, that we will start another continent, that is Asia. You know, Asia is the largest continent of the world, and there are some important information or the basic fact about the Asia, that the total country in continent Asia is 47. If we talk about the largest country, that China is the largest country in continent Asia. We are talking about the continent Asia, okay? Then the major religions, obviously Asia is the largest continent, so there is not only one religion. Islam, Hinduism and Buddhism are the major religions. We are talking about the major religions. Clear? Then we talk the major rivers. Although there are so many rivers in continent Asia, but we are just talking about the major rivers. So the names of the major river are river Indus, that is flow in Pakistan, river Ganges, that is in India, and river Yangtze, that is in China. Clear? Then come toward the next topic, that is countries in Central Asia. Countries in Central Asia, you have just learned the numbers, not the names, okay? Just learn the numbers, that there are countries in Central Asia. So you must know the numbers, that there are 8 countries in Central Asia. Then if we talk about the third topic, that is the Muslim countries, here you have also just learned the numbers, not the names. You have just focused the numbers, that there are 26 countries in continent Asia that are called the Muslim countries. Clear? Then the first topic of the continent Asia is Japan. We have just focus on the underlined sentences, but before going to, we will start from the fact that the capital is Tokyo, the currency is called yen, religion is Buddhism and Shinto, and language is called Japanese language. Okay, now come toward the topic. Japan is known as the land of the rising sun, the first sentence. Then आपके पास है its another name. Its another name means Japan. Another name is Nippon. Nippon is meaning, give you the meaning that is the land of the rising sun as well. Then आपके पास another sentence of this important cities are Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima, Yokohama and Nagasaki. Then Japan is also a home to some very large industries of the world like Sony, Panasonic, Toyota, Honda, Suzuki and Nissan. These are some of the famous companies that are from Japan as well. Then the 2 cities, which were the 2 cities that were destroyed by the atomic bomb. So you must know the names of these 2 cities, that Hiroshima and Nagasaki were completely destroyed by atomic bomb. Okay, these are the 2 cities which were completely destroyed by America in World War II. The 2 cities' name are Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Then Shinkansen. What is Shinkansen? Shinkansen is a bullet train that is also famous in Japan as well. Then sushi. What is sushi? Sushi is a popular dish that is served beautifully. Raw fish. Raw fish is है आपके पास. It is beautifully presented. And the name of this dish is sushi. Then Japanese language words are also very important in this topic, that you must know the meanings of these Japanese language in English as well. For example, good morning, what we call it is in Japanese language, Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa, good afternoon. Sayonara means goodbye. And what we call thank you in Japanese language, that is arigato. What is arigato? Clear? Then come toward another topic, that is United Arab Emirates, UAE. It is also very important. UAE, United Arab Emirates, is divided into regions, into 7 regions. But fact, let's talk about the fact. The capital of the UAE is Abu Dhabi. The currency is called dirham. The religion is Islam and the language is Arabic. There is Arabic language. Then the discovery of the oil made this an incredible wealthy area. Clear? Then Dubai is the fastest growing state. I'm just focus on the underlined sentences. Okay, Dubai is the fastest growing state. Then आपके पास है one such example is Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is a 7-star hotel. Now come to the downward. Burj Al Arab is the 7-star hotel in the world, situated in Dubai. Where it is situated? It is situated in Dubai. Then there is another landmark. The definition of the landmark at the bottom of the page, that any visible symbol of a country or a city. It may be a structure, a natural, a man-made, like a mountain, tower, or building, etc. These are the definition of the landmark. I have already told you that landmark is the you can say it is an identity of a country as well. Clear? Then come toward the Burj Al Khalifa on the next page, that is Burj Al Khalifa, world tallest building. Burj Al Khalifa is also located in Dubai. How many floors it has? It has 163 floors. Clear? Only these two sentences are in this page. Now, these are all about your today's topic. Hope you will learn a lot and enjoy as well. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Clear?